Hello. Welcome to your English speaking practice. In this video, you will practice simple morning English conversations you can use at home every day. Speak out loud. Don't just listen. Repeat everything. We will go slowly, step by step. Let's start your morning English routine. Part 1, Basic Morning Greetings. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. I just woke up. I just woke up. How are you this morning? How are you this morning? I am feeling good. I am feeling good. I am still a little sleepy. I am still a little sleepy. What time is it? What time is it? It is morning time. It is morning time. Now speak as a conversation. A. Good morning. B. Good morning. A. Did you sleep well? B. Yes, I slept well. A. Are you awake now? B. Yes, I am awake now. Part 2, Getting out of bed. Repeat. I am getting out of bed. I am getting out of bed. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I need to stretch my body. I need to stretch my body. Now I feel better. Now I feel better. I am ready for the day. I am ready for the day. Conversation practice. A. Are you still in bed? B. No, I am getting up now. A. Do you feel okay? B. Yes, I feel okay. A. What will you do first? B. I will wash my face. Part 3, Morning Routine. Repeat. I am washing my face. I am washing my face. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I am cleaning my face. I am cleaning my face. I feel fresh now. I feel fresh now. I am ready to start my day. I am ready to start my day. Conversation. A. What are you doing now? B. I am brushing my teeth. A. Did you wash your face? B. Yes, I did. A. Do you feel fresh? B. Yes, I feel fresh. Part 4, Morning Breakfast Talk. Repeat. I am hungry. I am hungry. Let's make breakfast. Let's make breakfast. I will eat bread and tea. I will eat bread and tea. This breakfast is simple. This breakfast is simple. It tastes good. It tastes good. Conversation. A. What are you eating? B. I am eating breakfast. A. Is it good? B. Yes, it is very good. A. What are you drinking? B. I am drinking tea. Final practice loop, repeat section, full speaking drill. Now repeat everything again. Morning greetings. Getting out of bed. Bathroom routine. Breakfast talk. Speak louder each time. Try to speak without reading. Great job. You practiced real English morning conversations. Do this every day to improve your speaking. Next video will be brushing my teeth conversation practice. Keep going. Don't stop.